Hi everybody, welcome to my second Java client server programming tutorial. Last time we created class that will accept client connection and create single threaded server which will handle the client. Now we need to implement class which handles with the single client. So we need to implement TCP server class. Go to new Java class. Class name will be TCP server. Okay, this class needs to extend thread in order to serve multiple clients. Okay, what we have here. First variable is client data socket. Okay, next that we need is variable in which will be used to read data from data socket. Input variable and variable which will write data to the data socket. Using print writer for this, for output. Don't forget to import all this. Okay. Next that we need is constructor for single threaded server. So we will say public TCP server. As parameter we have client socket. And we need IO exception. Okay. Now we need to set the data socket. Okay. Next that we need is to get a socket stream. So we need to create new method. Get socket stream. Okay. It will be public void. First we need to get input. New input stream reader socket get input stream. I hope you will see this. Okay. And we need output. Print writer socket get output stream. And we need IO exception. Okay. Let's go ahead and define what we want to our server doing. We want when server get number from client to calculate SQRT for that number and return the value to client. Let's see how to do that. We need a run method and try catch mechanism. Okay. Now we need variable client message. Client message will store value that get from client. Now we need while loop. What are we doing now? We get that message as a string, So we need to parse it to double. So we will say double number equals double dot parse double client message. Okay, now we need to calculate sqrt of number. Double number sqrt of number. Okay, at the end we will that result forward to client. So we will say output dot println, and we will say sqrt of number plus number that we get from client plus is, and we will say number that we calculate, number sqrt. Okay, and we need to read again next line from client. Input.readLine. Okay, now we need to implement catch and IO exception if we have some error. Problem with server. I will say system.exit 1. Okay, and finally we need to close connection. We need to try to close connection. So try catch mechanism. We will say not possible to close connection. Or try to close connection. Okay, that was all for now. In next tutorial I will show you how to make client process and our program will be finished.